Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make zesty Italian dressing. First, gather your core ingredients: extra virgin olive oil, a good quality vinegar, and a selection of dried herbs. The olive oil forms the rich base, so choose one with a robust flavor. For the vinegar, white wine or red wine vinegar will provide that essential tang. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's talk about boosting that zesty flavor. Minced garlic is crucial. It adds a wonderful aromatic depth. For the classic Italian profile, incorporate dried oregano, basil, and thyme. Don't be shy with these herbs. If you enjoy a little warmth, a small pinch of red pepper flakes will give your dressing a delightful, subtle heat without overpowering the other flavors. These additions truly elevate the dressing. To achieve a perfectly balanced dressing, a touch of sweetness is key. A small amount of sugar or honey will beautifully counteract the vinegar's acidity. Next, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Finally, the magic happens during emulsification. Whisk all the ingredients together vigorously until they are well combined and slightly thickened. This creates a smooth, cohesive dressing that clings wonderfully to your salad. Once your delicious zesty Italian dressing is complete, transfer it to an airtight container and refrigerate it. It will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 10 days, making it perfect for meal prep throughout the week. Remember to give it a good shake before each use, as the oil and vinegar may separate slightly. This ensures every pour is perfectly mixed. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.